In this video, I'm going to talk about some ideas for Mother's Day for those that live in their RV full-time or just those people that like to RV. Hi, welcome back to our channel. I am Korin, and I'm going to talk about some of my favorite things in the RV that you might want to consider giving someone you know, or maybe yourself, for Mother's Day. So I have 5 things here. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the photo frame. That's probably one of my favorites, and my photo frame has all of my photos. We ended up scanning it. The reason I love this photo frame is it's simple. It's simple to use. It's not Wi-Fi because I didn't want to have to deal with Wi-Fi. I also wanted some privacy for my photos. So what I ended up doing is scanning my photos using a scanner. I had purchased an inexpensive scanner when I was home and just made photocopies. So it ends up showing all of our photos. It'll go and transition. And when our kids come over to see us, they see their photos when they're growing up, just like they used to see on our photo wall, which is why I like this. So I really love this thing. It works with has a remote, which I don't use, but it's kind of cool because it sticks. And then it also uses either a jump drive, a USB jump drive, or you can put in I think an SD or a mini SD card in it. So that's the first thing. Next thing that you might want to think about for Mother's Day is the Instant Pot. I know everyone says that, but I love my Instant Pot. I had gotten it when my husband first got it. I was like, I'm not going to use that. I love this thing because it makes it so easy, especially in an RV, to make a full meal, make it easy. What I do is I get all my stuff prepped and then I just put it in. But this is really great. This is the 6-quart version, and it's a great thing. We use it probably 2 or 3 times a week. And to follow up with that, my third favorite thing is this cookbook. But let me tell you, buy this cookbook. If you do any Instant Pot cooking, you can see all these things I've tabbed. We have not found a recipe that we don't like. We've done a lot of different recipes in here. We did this 2-bean chili. We did, let's see, I'm gonna see some of the things that we've done. We did this one. We've done the smashed potatoes, but the sweet potatoes, but we've also done the spaghetti squash, which was really yummy and easy. We'll be able to do that. Cauliflower rice. I'm just trying to see what other ones. But there are a lot of really nice recipes in here. Just meals, breakfast foods, snacks, even cakes and things like that. So it is really, really good. So I highly recommend it. It's called the Fresh and Healthy Instant Pot Cookbook, and it's by Megan Gilmore, who is Detox Anita, I think is her website. She has a website and she also has a YouTube channel, and I follow that, and I love her stuff. My fourth thing would be my Hydro Flask, and I know it seems like a weird thing, but without this I don't get enough water. My daughter is dealing with not getting enough water right now. I told her, use your Hydro Flask. I take this in the morning, I drink a full amount, and then I take it with us. We take it whenever we go in the car. I'm filling up my Hydro Flask and taking it. It's great if you go to national parks or any of those kind of places because a lot of them have the water fillers. So love this. I just would recommend, if you don't have one, get one. It doesn't have to be Hydro Flask, but make sure it's a good one so that it keeps everything cold. And my last is this. Well, this is actually 2 things. This is a twofer. The first one is the lifetime senior card. Jim was able to get this 3 years ago because, as you know, I am not yet 62. I'm only 60. I'll be 61 soon. But he was able to get this, and I can use it because I'm with him. And it was $80. And it's for a lifetime. We get in free to national parks. We get into free for most of the national monuments. It's good on just so many government-owned properties that are recreational properties. Really, really highly recommend it. And if you get that, you need to get this. So the passport, and this is sold separately in their gift shops, but we love it because it keeps track of where we've been. And then you get to do, and we only have had it for a couple years, but you get to put all these stamps. Like this is when we went to Scotts Bluff, and you get to put the stamps. They usually have different kinds of stamps. this, we forgot our book, so they gave us a sticker, which is good. When we went to Oklahoma National Memorial, just a whole bunch of things that they have. Like this one was a stamp. This was for Mount Rushmore when we went to South Dakota. So it's really, really cool. I love it because I look at it and I wish I had gotten it sooner, because when we went with our kids, we went to a lot of the national parks. I don't have them stamped here or designated, so I might actually go through and cheat and just kind of write in when we went. And if I go back, which hopefully we will, well, then we'll put the official stamp in here. But anyway, that wraps up my video. I love all these things, and please comment if you have other things that you like. But have a happy Mother's Day. If you have children or even pet children, we have both. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our videos, and have a great day. Bye.